welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we have an unboxing. Yes, we're doing this the same way as I did the Mythic Battles Pantheon and the Conan ones, where I took everything out of the big box, because there's a lot of stuff in here. It's not like the, what do you call it, the Nova Atus ones where it's all individual boxes. It is individual boxes, but there's a lot more. So, to find out what's inside, let's open the box. Right, first off, we have an envelope. The envelope has pictures in it, and this will give you an idea of what we're opening. There we are, it's all Sentinels of the Multiverse Oblivaeon is the one that we're opening this time. So that's what we're starting with. First thing in the box. Flip that back. We have another piece of card. Always handy for making terrain, I suppose. And then we start off with, in fact, let's do this first of all. We have the Complete Hero Variant Collection, which is that there. Hope you can see that. Then we have the Void Guard Hero Team Mini Expansion, which is that. We're all going to look at these in a separate unboxing videos. This is just the introductory one to give you an idea of what's being opened in the next few videos. And then we have another hero or villain, Benchmark. It's another hero, not a villain. And then we have another hero, Stuntman. Hope you can see all these. Light's not incredibly brilliant. And we have, I think, another hero, Luminary, or Luminary, whatever you want to call it. That's what it says on that side. I'm assuming it's all Luminary cards, but it's not blister pack like the other ones. And then we have this nice little box. This nice little box contains the 5th anniversary foil villain collection. Some more cardboard. And then we have the main, well, I'm saying the main box for the game, Oblivion. But now, here we go. The reason I am doing this video this way is for this reason. This box. This box is a very good idea. This box, hopefully, will work wonders for this game, because if you know what the if you know anything at all about the campaign, you will know that you get this Sentinels of the Multiverse. It says on the bag. This is a storage box to contain all the cards. One thing as well, you may remember that I've just remembered, we also have this box, which came earlier on last year, I think it was, or late on last year, which contains all the foil hero cards. That will fit into this box. But what I want to do in this video is open up this box and see how it looks. So, there we are. This is heavy already without any cards in. If I try taking this anywhere, I'm going to end up in hospital. Right, so we have, that's the way it opens. How's that? With a little notch in there for the drawer. And in this we have different tokens. Hero and villain comparison booklet. Goes in there. And then we have, oh, that's probably why it's heavy, because we have these dividers, all card dividers. We have 4 sets in that drawer. This drawer is empty, but you can see the width or the length of the drawers. So there is space for a lot of cards. And then down here, I'm going to have to angle this a little better. Another drawer. Yet another drawer. And they're all labelled on the front. So, this drawer contains heroes. This drawer contains the oversized villains and tokens. This drawer for the heroes and variants. This drawer for the villains. And finally this drawer is for villains and environments. So we have a lot of things to do with this box in regards to putting everything inside it. And it seems to be magnetised as well, so it's not going to open up. That is, as you can see there, one hefty box. Hang on a second. My God, it's full of stars. Sorry. Anyway, that is the Oblivion Kickstarter campaign delivered. Well worth the wait. Now all I have to do is not only fill this box, but open them packs, and that will all be coming over the next few videos. So until next time, as always, take care, God bless, and bye for now.